France wasn't always seen as a startup hotspot. But today, it's producing unicorns faster than almost any country in Europe. From fintech to climate tech, a quiet revolution is rewriting the future of the French economy. What changed? A bold vision, a tech-friendly government, and a generation of founders ready to compete globally. Welcome to France's rise as Europe's unicorn factory. A decade ago, France faced bureaucracy and sluggish innovation. But reforms like business-friendly taxes and startup-focused immigration policies changed everything. With the launch of initiatives like La French Tech, France went from red tape to rocket speed, unlocking the environment startups needed to scale. Paris is now one of the world's top startup capitals. Global investors, world-class talent, and massive tech campuses like Station F fuel its growth. At the center is Station F, the world's largest startup hub. With hundreds of companies under one roof, it symbolizes the ambition of modern France. France now has dozens of unicorns, billion-dollar powerhouses like Doctolib, BlaBlaCar, Veepee, and Sorare. These companies are more than success stories. They redefine mobility, digital health, circular economy, and the future of online commerce, shaping Europe's next tech era. France didn't rely on luck. It built success through smart policies, from startup visas to R&D tax credits and huge public tech investment funds. Initiatives like French Tech Visa and France 2030 inject billions into innovation, empowering founders to scale big and fast. Lyon is becoming a biotech hub. Toulouse leads in aerospace. Lille is emerging in e-commerce. France's innovation story is spreading far beyond Paris. This balanced growth is why France is becoming unstoppable. Every region contributes to the country's billion-dollar momentum. France produces some of the world's top engineers and AI researchers. Combine that with bold creativity, and you get startups with global potential. This is the French formula: elite talent, design-driven thinking, and a growing culture of entrepreneurship. A mindset shift that unlocked a new tech era. France already proved it can build unicorns. Now, it's aiming for decacorns, companies worth over $10 billion. From Paris to Toulouse, the next wave of European giants is being built today. And France's unicorn factory? It's just warming up.